the Senate, County of Nakuru. We have a few participants in their respective sides. Kichanga and Uhuru Tabitha Karanja. She will support 98,000, 8,000, and total the second position.
Chini kidogo. Iko sawa hapo. Very good. Hapo sawa.
I'm humbled and honored. And I'm ready. I want to assure them, I want to assure the county, Nakuru County people, that I'm ready more than before. With their support, I'm ready to face the opposition, that is the other parties, the other aspirants who are in the other parties, as the Jubilee, the Azimios, and I'm sure with their support, with the Nakuru County people, we are going to deliver the Senate seat. Me being the head, being the senator of the Nakuru County, come 9th August 2022. I want to thank my competitors who are competing with them, Yatich being here present and the others who are not here, because of accepting the defeat. And I assure them that I'll work with them, because I know they, in their manifesto, there are some of the, they have some strategies that they have, that they wanted to work with in this Nakuru County. So I'll accommodate what they had and then mine together. And I know we're going to work for this Nakuru County